Welcome back. I'm Rachel, and in this video I'm going to go over the structure and function of the small saphenous vein. This vein is also known as the short saphenous vein or the lesser saphenous vein. Firstly, where is this vein located? The small saphenous vein is located on the lateral side of the lower leg. If we look more closely at the veins on the anterior view of the lower right leg, we can see this vein highlighted in red. If we also look closer at the veins on the posterior view of the lower right leg, we can again see this vein highlighted in red. Where does this vein originate? This vein originates and receives blood from the dorsal venous arch of the foot. The dorsal venous arch can be seen here highlighted in yellow. What is the course of this vein? This vein runs along the lateral side of the dorsal surface of the foot. It then runs up the posterior region of the lower leg, then between the two heads of the gastrocnemius muscle. This vein ends around the level of the knee where it becomes the popliteal vein. The popliteal vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow. What is the function of this vein? This vein functions in the transportation of deoxygenated blood up the lateral side of the foot and up through the posterior region of the lower leg. From this vein, the blood runs through the popliteal vein and onwards on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the small saphenous vein. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.